Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching. And I'll just take you through my trades. Yeah, from yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I recorded. I was recording, but on editing, things went sideways, and I didn't have that energy to edit again. So I just had to delete it, and I posted my entries. Yeah. So I'll just show you. Like at first, this was my first presentable fair value gap, right? So I was expecting the price now to go down and at least reach this level here, but it was quite the opposite. The price just turned and it started going up, right? Seeing the price now respecting this level here, I entered long, right? Aiming at this level, aiming at this fair value gap here. But in turn, like the price was just accumulating and it was just waking this is a 5 minute fair value gap. It was just waking it. The bodies were not even entering the gap, so it was a resistance. Yeah, so the price was going through a high resistance liquidity run. Now it was just accumulating. So when the price was just accumulating, this could have just shown me that the price is not is not good for taking a trade. Yeah, and when I saw like the price was not respecting my way, I just had to take the longs that I had placed. I had to take it off, and afterwards the price now just went up. Yeah, this was like this for me. I saw this as a total soup here because the price just went down and then it came up and took these highs here, and then afterward it started dropping, right? So I'll just show you the entries in a few minutes. So you see, I entered short, but I entered short first one. It did not go well, right? I was being stopped, and then I entered long. You see, I entered here, but things went sideways and I had to kill the trade here. And then again, when I saw the price was now going up, I saw this like an opportunity for the price to go long, but in opposite, it was just different, and I just had to take it off because it wasn't respecting my way. So I just had to take it off. Yeah, so that's how it was, and let me just take this off, and afterward the price just went down. Yeah, the price just went down. It came up and then respected this fair value gap. This is a 5 minute fair value gap. It respected it and then it just went down, and it came to my end, like my target. This was my initial target. Apart from this one, this was also my target, and the price reached that target. Yeah, yeah. So, and also in today, like during the London session, yeah, I decided to initiate some trade, like when the price had just taken some highs here, and now it was now 3 o'clock. Let me just zoom it here. Right, it was 3 o'clock. Like I did not enter at the start of 3 o'clock. I entered when the price had taken this fair value gap here. Right, that's when I entered the charts. Right, and after the price had just was now accumulating here. I was waiting for the price now to just go down and then come back to this, like I don't know how I can call this, if it's a order block, right? A bearish order block, or I don't know, like I've forgotten it, but yeah. So I drew this line and I told myself, like, if the price will just reach this level, I'll enter short, and my target will be at this, the 21st January 1 hour 5 hour lookup. Yeah, that was my target, right? But my first partial was below this line here. Yeah, this was a minor sell side liquidity, so my first partial was at that level, right? So the price just did well and it respected this, I can say, the order block, right? Or you can say a breaker. Yeah, order block. No, this is not an order block. I don't know how I don't know like the name of it, but I just knew like this was a perfect condition like for a short entry, right? Just forgive me if I don't know the name of this, but that's how I just used it as my entry, right? So I entered here my first one and the second trade, right? And afterwards I now started watching, like, to see how the price was now behaving. So the price just went down very well, and it took my first partial, right? And then it just came back, it retraced back, and then afterwards at exactly 4 o'clock the price just went down aggressively, right? It just went down, boom, and it took my second partial, which was at this level here, and yeah, that's how it went. So let me just show you. Remember, this is just paper trading. I'm just still practicing, right? So you see I entered at this candlestick, right? And afterward the price just came and respected this line, right? I can call it the order block, in quotes, order block, right? And yeah, you see it took my first partial at that level, and again it just came and took my target now. Yeah, so that's how it went, and yeah, that's how it is. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up. Yeah, it'll just be good. I'll just appreciate that, and I'll just see you in the next video. Be safe.